The flooded basement rescue. The rain had come in relentless torrents, an unyielding deluge that turned the city into a vast, flowing river. Streets flooded, trees bowed under the weight of water, and the earth seemed to groan beneath the weight of nature's fury. In the midst of this chaos, George watched his neighbor's house. Hours had passed as the storm battered the city, but his mind was fixed on one thing. The tiny creature trapped below, stranded in the flooding basement. He knew the flood was rising, creeping inch by inch, threatening to drown her. The storm's fury was deafening, but inside that darkness, the faintest cry still echoed, the desperate, trembling meow of a frightened cat.
Meow! Meow!
Without hesitation, George pushed through the storm, his boots sinking into mud, the wind tearing at his clothes. Every step was a gamble against the merciless floodwaters.